Hey guys, wanna know how to add lens blur to your image in BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. This should direct you to its official website. Now, on the dashboard right here, you can see photo editor. Click on it. Now once you're there, to import any images, just simply click on open and then choose from any one of these options. Once you have imported the image, make sure you are in edit. Now, scroll down until you see blur. And now, right here you can see lens blur. Simply click on it. Now right here on the left side, you can see the blur amount, the intensity and blade curvature. Just simply adjust it as you want. As you can see, the blur quality and intensity changes as I slide the slider. And that's it. Once you're done, simply click on apply. Although this has a paywall, you need a premium feature to apply it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you on the next one.